Hello, my dear students of class 5. Welcome to online class. In my previous class, I have completed exercise 3.3. Today, I am going to do exercise 3.4. It is about the word problem. There are 14 questions in this exercise, but I will do only 11 questions. Okay, question number 12, 13, 14 is not that much important. Okay, so 12, 13, 14 is cancelled. Okay, and we will do up to 11, from 1 to 11. Okay, we will do only 11 questions. Okay, so this is the word problem and it is mixed one. Multiplication one is also there and division one is also there. Okay, so when they will give the cost or what you say about anything, okay, for one, and we have to, and if they're asking for to find for many, so what we have to do, we have to multiply. Okay, when they will give the cost or for what is say any other thing for one, okay, and they will ask for many, so what we have to do, we have to multiply at that time. And when they will give for many, okay, like the cost of what is say 10 books is 100, so what is the cost of one? If they're asking for the one book for the one thing, so what we have to do, we have to divide. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, one by one we will do the questions. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, this is exercise 3.4. Question number 1. A newspaper has 15 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper are there in 5213 newspapers? Okay, so you have seen newspaper. In newspaper, sheets are there, paper sheets are there, newspaper sheets are there. So in one newspaper there are 15 sheets of paper. Okay, so they are asking that in 5213 newspaper, how many sheets of paper will be there? So what we have to do, we have to multiply. They have given for the one, that in one newspaper there are 15 sheets, and we have to find for many, that is 5230 newspapers contain how many sheets. Okay, so let's do, okay, one by one, step by step we will do. So let's do. Okay, what we will do, we will write number of sheets. Okay, number of sheets in one newspaper, in one newspaper is equals to how much? How many sheets are there in one newspaper? 15. How many sheets are there? 15. Okay, now number of sheets in how many newspaper they are asking? 5213. In 5213 newspapers is equals to, what you have to do, we have to multiply. Okay, what you have to do, we have to multiply 5213 into 15. Okay, so we will get the number of sheets in 5213 newspapers. So what you have to do, we have to multiply. So now let's multiply. Right here 5213, okay, into how much? 15. Okay, now let's do the multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 2s are 10, 0 will write here, 1 I will give carry, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1 is how much? 26, into 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now add it. 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 0 plus 1 is 1, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, so done. So in 5213 newspaper, how many sheets of paper are there? 78,195. Okay, so let's write here thus, okay, comma, okay, in 5213 newspapers there are, how many sheets are there? How many seats are there? There are 78,195 sheets of paper. Okay, so done. Now let's do question number 2. Now question number 2. Question number 2, a shirt costs rupees 854. How much would 52 such shirts cost? So here the cost of one shirt is given, and what is that cost of one shirt? It is 854. Okay, and they are asking the cost of 52 shirts. Okay, 52 shirts. So I have already said you, if they have given us the cost of one thing, okay, and they're asking for many, so what we have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so okay, cost of one shirt is equals to rupees 854. Okay, they are asking the cost of 52 shirts. Okay, so cost of 52 shirts. Okay, this is the cost of one shirt, 854. Cost of 52 shirts is equals to, okay, rupees 854 into 52. So if we will multiply, okay, the cost of one shirt with the number of shirts, that is 52, so we will get the price of 52 shirts. Okay, so now let's multiply here. 854 into 52. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, plus 1 is 17, into 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry, okay, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, plus 2 is 25, 26, 27, that is 7, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. Okay, now let's add this. Okay, 8 0, 7 plus 7 is how much? 14, 4, 1 carry. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4. So this is the cost of 52 shirts. Okay, so now let's write here. Thus, okay, cost of 52 shirts is rupees, okay, how much it is? 44,408. Put the comma so that it will be easy for you to read. Okay, so thus cost of 52 shirts is 44,408. Okay, so done. And now let's move to question number 3. Okay, it is easy now. Okay, if they will give you the cost of one thing and if they are asking for many, so you multiply it. Okay, and one by one you write what they have given you. Okay, so now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. There are 12 pencils in a box. How many pencils will be there in 211 such boxes? So sometime you bring a pencil box at home, okay, and in there how many pencils are there? Okay, sometime it is 10, okay, 12. So in this question, in a box, okay, in one box there are 12 pencils. Okay, so how many pencils will be there in 211 such boxes? Okay, so in one box 12 pencil is there, and then in 211 such boxes how many pencils will be there? So what you have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, so now let's write number of pencils, okay, in one box. In one box how many pencils are there? 12. Okay, so number of pencils in 211 boxes equals to, what you have to do? 12 into 211. Okay, so we have to multiply. I have already said you, in one it is given 12, so in 211 what you have to do? We have to multiply. multiply. Okay, so now let's multiply. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. Now add 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2. Okay, so in one box there are 12 pencils. In 211 boxes, how many pencils are there? 2532 pencils. Okay, so now let's write here. Thus, okay, number of pencils in boxes, okay, boxes will be, okay, how much? 2532. Okay, so thus number of pencils in 211 boxes will be 2532. So understood? Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4. 1 kilogram of rice costs how much? Rupees 42. What will be the cost of 1100 kg of rice? Okay, so in this question they have given the cost of 1 kg rice. So what is the cost of 1 kg rice? 42. Okay, rupees 42. Okay, and then what will be the cost of 1100 kg of rice? So what you have to do? In this case also we have to multiply, because they have given the cost of 1 kg of rice. Okay, and we have to find the cost of 1100 kg of rice. Okay, so now let's do it step by step. So now let's write. Okay, cost of okay, 1 kg rice equals to rupees 42. Of cost of how many kgs? 1100 kg. Cost of 1 kg rice is how much? 42. Cost of 1100 kg rice is equals to how much? What do you have to do? Rupees 42 into 1100. Okay, now what we will do? We will multiply. We will write this on top. 42 will write down. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Now let's add it. 0, 0, 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4. Okay, so done. So what is the cost of 1100 kg rice? So, okay, now we'll write this. Okay, 1100 kg of rice cost is how much? Thus 1100 kg of rice cost rupees how much? How much it is? 46,200. 46,000 comma 200. Okay, so we have got the answer. Now let's move to question number 5. Now question number 5. Okay, 16 books cost rupees 1840. How much does one book cost? Now this question number 5 is different from question 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was about the multiplication. Okay, there one thing cost was given and they were asking us to find the cost of many. Okay, now here they have given the cost of many, like 16 books they have given the cost and they are asking for the cost of one book. Like for example, you think you went to the market, okay, and you bought few chocolates, okay, and you bought 5 chocolates, and what is the cost of that 5 chocolates? It is rupees 50. Okay, you have not said about the cost of one chocolate. Okay, you have said about the cost of 5 chocolates. So what will be the cost of one chocolate? Okay, so what you will do, you will divide how many rupees was total for that 5 chocolates? 50, divided by how many chocolates you have bought? 5 chocolates. Okay, So 5 10 ja 50. So one chocolate cost is how much? 10. What is the cost? 10. Okay, so to find the cost of one thing, okay, or whatever the question is asking for one, so what you have to do? We have to divide. Okay, so now let's start. So what is the question? Again, let's repeat it. 16 books cost rupees 1840. How much does one book cost? So now let's write here. Cost of 16 books is equals to rupees, okay, 1840. Cost of one book, okay, is equals to rupees 1840 divided by 16. By dividing, we will get the cost of one book. Okay, so now let's divide here. 1800, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, now what you have to do? We have to read 16 table. So in 16 table 1 doesn't come, so we will take this 2 digit, that is 18. 18 also doesn't come, so 16 1 ja 16. Subtracted 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we'll put cross. Okay, bring this 4 down, it is 24. 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So 32 is more than 24. Okay, so we will again write 16 1 ja 16. Okay, now let's subtract this. From 4 we cannot subtract 6, so this 4 will take 1 borrowing from this 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 4 will become 14. Okay, so 14 minus 6 is how much? It is 8. How much it is? 8. And 1 minus 1 is 0, so put the cross. Okay, now bring this 0 down. Okay, bring this 0 down. Now it has become 80. Okay, now let's read the 16 table. 16 1 ja 16. 16 2 ja 32. 16 3 ja 48. 16 4 ja 64. Okay, and 16 5 ja 80. 16 5 ja 80. Okay, so 16 5 ja 80. Okay, so now 0 minus 0, put the cross, it will be 0. 8 minus 8 is 0, put the cross. You can write 0 or you can put the cross. So this is the, what you say. So now let's write here. Okay, thus, okay, comma, okay, one book cost rupees, how much? What is the cost of one book? 115. Okay, rupees 115. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so to find the cost of one, we have to divide. Okay, so today I have done exercise 3.4 till question number 5. Okay, already I have done all the questions 1 2 3 4 5. So you will do these 5 questions only as homework. Okay, you will see the video, okay, how I have done, and you will do by yourself. Okay, you will see how much you have understood. Okay, if you have not understood, so you can see it again. Okay, so till 5 I have done, and this is only your homework. Okay, and in my next class I will do other questions. Okay, so for today up to this much. Thank you.